Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Umihala. I am 7 years old and today I am going to read you the story about say hello to the baby animals. Let's start. This baby lion is ready to go. He wants to find his friends and say hello. See, here's the baby lion going to find his friend and say hello. Baby giraffe looks hungry too, licking the trees, licking the leaves that grow on the tree. Hello baby giraffe, lick lick lick. See, here's the baby lion saying the baby giraffe hello, and the baby giraffe is licking the leaves on the tree. I can see a funny face. Can you see it too? It's a baby monkey and he's waving at you. Hello baby monkey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. See, here's the baby lion and here's the baby monkey. The baby lion is saying to baby monkey, hello. Baby hippopotamus loves to keep cool. What a lot of noise when he jumps in the pool. Hello baby hippo. Splish, splash, splosh. See, here's the baby lion and here's the baby hippopotamus. The baby lion is saying to the baby hippopotamus, hello. This little zebra loved to run around their hooves, click clack on the hard dry ground. Hello baby zebra, click clack, click clack. See, here's the baby lion and here's the baby zebras. The baby lion is saying to baby zebra, hello. Who's this going squawk, squawk, squawk? It's a baby parrot and he loves to talk. Hello baby parrot, squawk, squawk, squawk. See, here's the baby lion and here's the baby parrot. The baby lion is saying to the baby parrot, hello. This baby elephant is having squirting mud at everyone. Hello baby elephant, squirt, squirt, squirt. See, here's the baby elephant and here's the baby lion. The baby lion is saying to the baby elephant, hello. Here's a baby leopard walking down the track. Give him a roar and he'll roar back. Hello baby leopard, roar. See, here is the baby lion and here's the baby leopard. The baby lion is saying to the baby leopard, hello. What a lot of babies. My oh my. It must be time to say goodbye. Goodbye baby monkey. Ooh ooh ooh. Goodbye baby giraffe. Lick lick lick. Goodbye baby elephant. Squirt squirt squirt. Goodbye baby hippo. Splish splash splosh. Goodbye baby parrot. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Goodbye, baby zebras. Click, clack, click, clack. Goodbye, baby leopard. Roar! Look at baby lion. Couplet. Up, tight, purr very quietly and say night night. Thank you for seeing my story adventure. Bye.